Hello friends, welcome to my channel. This is a video tutorial for the piano learners and this is a tutorial for the extreme beginners. So in today's video I will show you how to play the tune Happy Birthday song. But before you play the song, you have to identify and know the notes of your keyboard or piano. You have to just identify at first where is your C. The C is the first key, okay? Then C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C. So what is where is your C? Okay, now you look, there are 3 black keys and 2 black keys, then 3 black keys, 2 black keys, 3 black keys, 2 black keys. Okay, so between the 3 black keys and 2 black keys, this is your C. The 3 black keys and the 2 black keys, so this is your C. So 3 black keys, 2 black keys, this is your C. This is a C, this is a C, this is a C, this is a C. So one C to C, C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C, C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C, we call one octave. So this is an octave C to C, this is an octave C to C, this is an octave C to C. Okay, now we will play on middle portion, middle octave. Okay, so look once again carefully, this 2 key black keys and this is the C. Okay, now C, D, E, F, C, D, E, F, then G, A, B, and once again C. Okay. C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C, C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C, C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C, C, D, E, F. We have to use the 4 fingers for C, D, E, F, then another 4. C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C, C, D, E, F, and then G, A, B, C. That's the your fingering. C, D, E, F, then G, A, B, C. Back. C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C, C, B, A, G, F, E, B, C. Clear? So, for Happy Birthday tune, you have to play there's the first line C, C, D, C, F, E. Then second line C, C, D, C, G, F, C, 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 this T, C to next C, 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 A, F, E, D. The third line once again C, 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 A, F, E, D. And that's a note called B flat, the third key black notes, third black keys. Okay, this is B flat. Okay? C, D, E, F, G, A, and then the black keys. B flat A, F, G, A. The fourth line B flat A, F, G, A. So I am playing the full piece once again. C, C, D, C, F, E, C, C, D, C, A, C, C, C,